Hello and welcome to Weatherwise. This is my channel and I ask you to subscribe whenever you can. Thank you for watching this video. Today we are looking at why you should stop focusing on improving your IQ, and this is what we are looking at in a moment. Thank you very much for watching. What is IQ? For those that may not be aware, IQ is intelligent quotient, and this is a measure of your ability or your level of comprehension, your ability to understand things that you are taught. And people with high IQ tend to be very good in mathematics, science, solving equations, understanding content that is given to them, and just memorizing things, recalling lessons. Pretty much very good in class, very good in understanding and learning things, very good at speaking out things that they've learned and relaying them to others. But that's not a milestone you would want to just achieve in life. There is more that you need. Apart from IQ, you need other types of intelligence that have been discovered by psychologists. The second type of intelligence that you need, apart from IQ, is EQ, which is emotional quotient, or you would call it, as others call it, emotional intelligence. This is a very important type of intelligence because this one is your ability to maintain peace with others, to keep time, to be responsible, to be honest, to respect boundaries, to be humble, to be genuine, and to be considerate in many situations. Now, people with high EQ tend to be people who are lovable. They are naturally good people, and you testify and you realize that they are in society. There are people with a kind heart that are not really good at school, not really good at academics, but they have a kind heart, and their kind heart has led them into high places. Now, people with high EQ tend to get more jobs than people with high IQ, because in the job you just don't need to be intelligent, to comprehend things and the like. Customers in businesses tend to love and like a salesperson that's more considerate, that's more humble, they are easy to talk to, they keep time, and they have a certain level of emotional intelligence that even if a customer shouts at them, their internal emotional intelligence makes them accommodate the pressure coming from the client or the customer. So they tend to be more humble, more open to criticism and the like. Now, the other type of intelligence that you need is the social intelligence, which is also called SQ or social quotient. This is the ability to build a network of friends and maintain it over a long period of time. So you build business people, build business networks, money networks, you build a network of friends, and you are aware that your network determines your net worth. You are able to make more money if you have a good network. So in a nutshell, why you don't need to focus so much on IQ is because people with a high EQ and SQ tend to go far in life, tend to be better people in life, tend to go higher in their careers, tend to go higher in their jobs, tend to get into bigger positions and better positions in life than those who have a high IQ but have a low EQ and SQ. So you don't just need intelligence quotient, you need EQ, you need SQ as well. But the fourth type of intelligence is what intrigues me as well. This one is at another level, at another dimension. And I think that's why it's the fourth. It's very hard. It's very difficult. This is the AQ, or Adversity Quotient. Intelligence that helps you pull through trouble. So, are you that intelligent? Do you have the ability to go through a rough patch in life and come out of it without losing your mind? If you are able to go through a hard situation, a job loss, and you are able to come out of it without losing your mind, you are intelligent, highly intelligent in AQ, Adversity Quotient. That's very high, and it's very necessary for business, for careers, for life, because you will get fired one day. You will lose a contract one day. You will lose all your money one day. What if your house burns down? There is calamity. You lose your most trusted employee. You lose your most trusted supplier. You lose your biggest client. If you are able to survive in the midst of pressure and trouble without losing your mind, you are more likely to succeed than someone who has a high IQ but loses their mind when they go through trouble. So stop focusing on building your IQ and focus on building these other types of intelligence, because you need these in your life in order to be successful and to make all the money that you need in life. I will expand further on each of these in the videos in the near future, but I wanted to just highlight to you why you should stop focusing on improving your IQ, but also improve your EQ, your SQ, and your AQ. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.